welcome back. Today I've got a Corbin here. Um, it is pinned by Tahoe Picked. Uh, it was sent to me by Zombie Lock, and it is quite the chore. Key works smooth, real smooth, every time. Um, but it's quite the chore to get this puppy open. Not certain what kind of magic's in here, but Tahoe Pick did a really good job because I picked it open 3 times, and every time it's taken me over 15 minutes. So that's why you haven't seen the video of it yet, because I didn't really want to anybody to have to sit through a 15-minute video. We're going to move you guys closer here and get you guys a good view of all the false sets that this thing throws at us. And all right. Very light tension to start with. And then once I get stuck, I have to really put some heavy tension on it to try to get those pins set that I don't know. I'm guessing are T-pins. I want to gut this thing and find out what's in it, because it's a work of art. Whatever's in it is definitely good. Come on. There we go. Got him set. Lost my fault set though. Granted, I go through that about 3 or 4 times here. I get a really good fault set going, and then I lose it. So that's nothing new. Like I said, he's definitely got some interesting pins in here, whatever they are. Okay, back to a pretty deep fault set there. Okay, got him set. And again, a little bit deeper on the fault set. Okay, who's next? And I lost it. Sure, I'll get it back. Well, maybe. Okay, where you at? Alright, got him back with a really good deep fault set there. First time that happened, I thought, oh shit, I opened it. And then I found out that I did not, because it gets way deeper than that. Okay, that's a good sign. Got him set and didn't lose my fault set. That That helps a little bit. Okay, gotta click out 4. Getting some serious counter again by him. I think I'm gonna hold off. Every time I set him, I lose my false set. Push my tension wrench back in. Come on, baby. Where are you at? Okay, got a little bit of click out of 5. Thought I was getting slight rotation out of 5, but everything feels so solid. I got something, just 1 or 2 hanging me up here. Sorry about the camera shake there, guys. To reposition myself. Okay, got another click out of 4. Felt like a little bit of rotation out of 1. 1's way up in there. Okay, well, set him, but lost my false set. Again, I do that a lot. Okay, got it. Got it. That deep false set again. Alright, he wants it. Ah, set him and lost my false set again. Begging to be picked, and then whenever I get him up there, he doesn't want to set. Or else wants to make me lose my false set. Tricky little. Alright. Where we at? Back over to this false set. Come on, man. Okay, I set him and kept my false set that time. Gotta be close. Lost a little bit of my false set on that one. Heard something drop on that. Should nickname this lock false set. Because that's where you spend all your time. It's inside the false set of this lock. Alright. Come on now. What's hanging me up here, guys? It's only freaking 5 pins in this lock. Why am I not getting it? I don't know. I don't know. It's not one. Might be. Well, maybe we're set too. All right. Now we're almost there. Now that the tension wrench is on the other side of that Corbin, that's usually how you know you're close. There it is. All right. This is a 17-minute video, but I'm taking it because I've picked this thing open 4 times on camera. And every time it took me over 20 minutes. So sorry for the long video, guys, but I want to know what's inside of it. And we are going to, oh crap, sorry. We're going to make it work. All right. It is picked. Well, it was. I popped it. All right, you guys saw that it was picked. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'll take this or not. You guys tell me. If you guys don't want to believe me, I'll do it again. But it'll probably be another 20-minute video because that was I gotta know what's inside of this. Try to make this fast as I can. Okay, we have key. We also have a shim because my guttings have been rather messy here lately, so I'm not gonna mess this up. You know what? Well, okay, good. I can get a shim in there. All right. Let's see here. That one's too big. All right. Let's see what's inside this. It's only a 5-penner, but it is wicked. Wicked. Okay. Key pins are in. All of them are working. Pin number 1. Ooh. Pin number 1 and pin number 2. Key pins. And ball bearings on both of them. And they're both serrated. Number 3 is serrated. 4 is a serrated. 5 is a serrated. All of the chambers are threaded. Come on, work for me. There we go. There you can see. Yeah, all the. Oh, hey, I was wrong. No, it's just 2 and 4 are. Uh, are all right. Let's get this open here. Number 1 was a spool. Really good looking spool. Number 2 was a T-pin. Oh, wait, no. It's not a T-pin. That's why. It is a T-pin, more or less, but it is a pin-in pin with serrations. That is an awesome looking pin. I would explain the argumentative nature of this lock. Number, pin-in pin spool. And number 3, with serrations. Awesome pins. My gosh. I have not seen pins like this. That is too cool. And that is another spool. And last but not least, 5 was another spool. Well, spool serration. Wow, those are some wicked, wicked pins. Oh, wait. And he was actually a T-pin as well. Or, I mean, a pin-in-pin as well. That's why. Wow, those are awesome. Awesome pins. I'll try to do a close-up for you guys. I know this is a long video, but gosh, this lock deserves it. Tahoe Picked, you are a artist. There you go. Number 1 had a ball bearing with a serrated pin, a spool. The next one was a ball bearing with a spool as well, key pin, serration on the second one, third one, excuse me. Fourth one is serrated, fifth one is serrated as well. Top driver was a spool, pin serrated, pin serrated spool, a spool, and a pin. Looks like a serrated spool as well. Amazing, amazing pins. Thank you so much for the opportunity to pick this zombie. I'm really glad you sent me this lock. This has been a joy. Uh, Tahoe Picked, man, that's an awesome lock. Thank you again, and don't break the law.